morning, Scots. I'm Lee.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly, and I'm Ian.
March 17th is the end of the third quarter for us, so if you need any help boosting your grades,
talk to your teachers ASAP.
Now let's talk about what's happening next week at Highland.
Salad dressing week starts off next Monday with house dressing, so put on your favorite PJs. Tuesday, ranch dressing, wear your best Western outfit.
Wednesday, Thousand Island, wear your best tropical attire.
Thursday, Caesar dressing, wear your best toga and your gladiator sandals.
Friday, Green Goddess dressing, wear some green and be ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
Time for a quick break.
Family Play is starting next week.
Let's go with Aiden with some information about the event.
Boo! I'm just joking with you guys. It's me, Aiden, and they let me come over here to tell you that there's a play coming on. The play is not going to be worth the miss. It's going to be Thursday to Friday. All the showings are going to be 7 except for Saturday. We gave you a little bit extra time so you can see it twice at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. Now, I got some VIP access. Let me tell you something. With this VIP access, they said I can come over here and show you a little sneak peek of what's going on, you know? Wait. Don't look at too much now. I'm just here to let you guys have a sneak peek, not the whole cake, you know? So, if you really want to come watch it, I told you the times. Be there, be square. Then we're going to have shirts for sale. It's going to be $10 to get in. So if you ain't got $10, ask a friend because they're going to hook you up. You're not going to want to miss this show, The Addams Family.
Remember, Scots, show up early to the event.
And do be respectful during the show.
And remember to plaid up at Highland.
Have a great weekend, Scots.